It's Thursday night football, prime time. And we're here at MetLife Stadium. What an opportunity for the Jags. Everything's in front of them, and they're going to do it in prime time.
Hey, I got to tell my boys down here, we got one goal this year, and these is in our way. Yes, so what the you going to do about it? Hey, I'm going to ride for every single one of y'all. I love all y'all boys. Go out there and kick they point blank, period.
Two right, two left, shotgun. Now Zay Jones motions to the right, so there's trips over there. Ball is on the left hash on 3rd down and 6. Shotgun for Trevor, 4-man front. He drops the throw. Looks. He's hit, he's sacked, the ball came out. He was sacked and the ball came out. No sign yet. It was a fumble, and the Jets have it. Quinnen Williams made the play. Trevor fumbled it. The Jets have recovered it around the 16-yard line of Jacksonville. Jets started the 16 on the left hash. Zach Wilson, the quarterback. In place of the injured Mike White, he's completed 54.9%. He's been up and down as a starter, the 2nd overall pick a year ago. He dropped the throw. It's a blitz. The Jags blitz him. They hit him. Andre Cisco got him a safety blitz. He got him outside the 20-yard line. And it'll be 4th down for the Jets.
I got stuck. Big time play. Big time all day. All day.
Big time play by Andre Cisco. He comes off of the right side of the Jets offense. He's unblocked, and he does a great job of making sure that he delivers a legal hit on Zach Wilson. I can't believe Wilson held on to that football.
Minus 3 yards. They went backwards, did the Jets. The Zerline kicked the 37-yard field goal, and that makes it 3-0. They spotted them 3, so here we go, 3-0. The Jets lead it. 11:32 in the first. Jags go from our right to our left. The ball's on the right hash from the 25.
One of the things that we were worried about is how would the Jaguars handle playing with the pressure of expectations? How would they handle it? We'll see. We're a little nervous, a little jittery. We'll see if we can calm down and get the play.
Play fake. They throw it out of the backfield. That's caught by Ingram. Into Jets territory. He bobbled it, then hung on. It was a play fake, and he got it all the way down to the 44-yard line of New York. They run it with Travis Etienne, and there's a burst for Travis. 1st down and more, inside the 30. Broke a tackle. Got it inside the 25. He got it to the 21-yard line. A 20-yard gain, and a 1st down for Jacksonville. Riley Patterson is 23 out of 27 on the year. This is a 32-yarder. Logan puts it down. Patterson kicks it up, and the field goal is good. Jags start at their own 4-yard line. Jets got to protect the ball back here.
Lawrence fires to the outside. Defender falls down, and that creates some space for Jermichael Hasty. Quick throw, and another 1st down as the catch is made here by Evan Ingram. Game tied at 3, 2nd and 10. Lawrence throws, and that is caught for another 1st down. Great looking drive here. This time it is Dan Arnold. Drive started back at the 4. At the 38 in the waning seconds. Lawrence, a lot of room to roam, and Trevor Lawrence to the 24-yard line. So a great looking drive here.
16th play of the drive that started at the 4-yard line. Quarterback snake dives toward the end zone. Touchdown!
That was a run game.
And what a drive. 8-19 to go. 96 yards, 8 1st downs along the way.
That was a long one. This is the beauty of being 6'6", right? With the length, get up in the air. He obviously breaks the plane. That's an easy one. What a way to finish off that drive.
That was their only 3rd down play on that drive.
The Jets right now don't have much of a running game to speak of, and with a quarterback that's still trying to figure things out, it's going to be tough sledding.
Toss to the right. McKnight is getting it hit in the backfield. Devin Lloyd got there first. He broke out of there, but the Jags swarm him. Rayshon Jenkins finished him off around the 49 of New York. That is a big loss.
So 13-3. Can the Jets get into field goal range?
Be careful.
Yeah, tell me. I'm thinking the same thing you are.
Play fake, Wilson drops the throw, he's gonna get hit, he's gonna get sacked, the Jacks got it back inside the 20-yard line, dropping again. They try to throw it to the right side, that's batted down in the line of scrimmage. I mean, the Boos, are you kidding me? Roy Robertson Harris again. It's his series, and the Boos are deafening here.
Hey, we should have went for the hat trick, boy.
I mean, they are booing like crazy here at MetLife Stadium. Jags lead at 13-3.
Evan Ingram was playing for the Giants. He told me he watched from afar and appreciated how Doug Peterson utilized different types of tight ends. When Ingram was on the free agent market this offseason, he saw a really big opportunity in Jacksonville. So he said, I took a risk on a one-year deal, but with the belief that this scheme could put him in the conversation to become one of the top-paid tight ends in the league.
Lawrence throws, caught, first down, and a lot more as the catch is made by Evan Ingram.
He's pretty fired up there. Well, he's having a big night tonight. And this is a tight end, one-on-one against the top corner, arguably this year. You look at that separation. That initial first step gets him that separation and the confidence that Trevor Lawrence has to look at the tight end.
Guys, Doug Peterson had a simple message for the team at halftime. He just talked about dominate him. Continue to dominate him on both lines of scrimmage. Make sure you make Zach Wilson uncomfortable. Try and heat up the pass rush. He's going to throw us.
He drops the throw. Jags blitz. The Jags get there. The Jags sack him all the way back at the 25-yard line. I hope you can still hear me over the boos, but it's back at the 25. Devon Hamilton got him. Hey, come on! The big cheer was Chris Streveler came into the game. Again, he's a former Canadian Football League quarterback, known more for his rushing. This is the 16th play of the drive. Play number 16, Michael Carter, the running back. He looks, fires, and that ball is going to be knocked away and incomplete. On fourth down, he threw a little slant. Darius Williams knocked it away, and the Jags are going to take over on down.
That was huge.
Yes, it was.
Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job.
Shotgun formation. Fourth down. 4th and 2 from the 28, let's call it. Trevor drops the throw. Looking, fires left side. The ball's going to be caught. That'll be a first down. And now the ball's fumbled. And it is picked up by the Jaguars. They're running it back. How about that? The Jaguars, Trey Herndon. The ball was fumbled. He caught it in midair, and he has returned it for the Jaguars.
And Lucan comes up to make the tackle, and as he's making the tackle, the back of his foot hits the ball, and it pops it out, allowing Trey Herndon to make the recovery.
As always, the Jags. There we go. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
The way this defense played, starting with that first drive after the turnover inside the red zone, and they backed up that Jets offense. They only gave up 3 points all day. This by far was their best performance in quite a while.
It was us. It was always us.
CJ takes a knee one more time. The two teams will shake hands. That's going to do it from MetLife Stadium.
What I love about you guys right now is that's what it takes. It takes a little sacrifice. We talked about it way back in the offseason. What are you willing to sacrifice for this football team? I'm so proud of this group. You hang in there and you battle. You guys, listen, you're doing the right thing at the right time of the season. Great things are going to continue to happen to this football team, right?
Early Christmas present, you know what I'm saying? From the Duval. You feel me?
We've got 2 games left in our division. Your mind is right. You're ready to rock and roll, put the work in, put the time in, and let's finish this thing the right way.
And the Jaguars are in first place in the division. They've done it. They have walked down the Tennessee Titans.